Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable one-handed mode on the Samsung Galaxy A15. This mode can be really useful if you want to operate your phone with only one hand. So, in order to do that, open up your settings, scroll down to Advanced Features tab, let's find it, here it is, click on it, and here look for one-handed mode option. So here it is. First of all, let's toggle it on. Simply press on the switch. When it will glow blue, it means it's on. Now tap on the one-hand gested mode. And here you've got two options of activating this regime. So the first one is button. So now to activate your one-handed mode, you are to double tap your home button here right at the bottom of the screen. Let's do that. One tap, second tap, and as we see, now our phone is in one-handed mode. To go back to normal mode, simply click anywhere at the blank space and you will be back to your usual mode. Now, the second way to do that is through the gesture. Now let's select the gesture. So in order to do that, simply swipe down from the center of the screen, then this will activate one-handed mode. So just like this. Easy, soft move. And now you're in a one-handed mode. To go back to normal, simply once again click on the blank space and you're back to normal. So now you can comfortably use your phone with one hand, for example, for scrolling your Spotify, choosing a song or YouTube or whatever it is. If you want to turn off this mode, simply click on the switch here. And now it's off. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.